Avocado? I'm at a train station. What the heck is going on with this train? Connected. A train is very weird and connected, and it has numbers on it. Is this a leader? Is this like a robot leaderboard? I don't know which one I'm going on. By train. I am in this. My train. I'm the step. Why am I doing at a train station? Goodbye. We're not going on here. Oh yeah. It's a purple train. It's a purple train. Very purple. The train is purple. I'm black and white like an avocado. Sound. I'm waiting. And I'm looking at the purple train. Purple train. What the heck is that sound? Purple train is going. No, purple train. Purple train. Purple train. Purple train, you forgot me. Oh, right. I'm not going on that train. I'm going on one of those white and red stripy ones. The weird sounds. It's a blue train. It's a blueberry. It's Tyler. It's Tyler the train. Tyler, why are you a train? It's very important. Rails. Avocado. Why did I say that? Everyone knows avocado. Yellow wood. Just like a redwood tree, but the wood is yellow. Holes for my beak. And there's a bug in there. Oh great. It's a fly. Whee! I'm a bug. There's a suitcase, but not ours. Our suitcase is blue. Like Tyler. It's blue like Tyler. Or that's jacket, coat. Huh? Is that Tyler? Tyler, are you old design? Platform 5. Is that focus? Focus. Yay, it's focusing. 5 speed. Drain. That can fit in my head. It's not a drain, because it can't fit my head. What am I even talking about? Were they all announcements? The train station needs announcements. The announcements are gone. The train is in.
Platform 6 does not stop here. Please stand well clear of the edge. Platform
I go to the edge. Nope. There's a train. I got an announcement when I was talking about announcements. That's blue like Tyler. I need to dang myself. Yay. My eyes hurt because I did this.
To the England Victory Parade or London today.
No.
Stations in central London are expected to be busy, so please plan ahead. Visit nationalrail.co.uk and tfl.gov.uk.
I said no to that announcement. I said no. What the heck is that weird train?
BBC free up to 5 minutes before
Pigeon.
departure via the
It's a
LNER app
pigeon.
by visiting lner.co.uk/reserve
It's a pigeon.
or in our travel
It's
centres.
a pigeon. Pigeon. Gone. Then there's a weird box train thing. Suitcase. Like Tyler. It's speeding up. Very, very slowly. It's loud. Loud, flat train. What is boxes for? They carry things like what? What the? That's empty. Shove me on it. I can go on it. Or not. is this train? That's probably going to be going out for 10 minutes. Train is being like 2 minutes. This train is still going. The train's going to leave. Oh, finally, the train's over. That was a big train. That was a big train. Oh, there's my friend. Religion. I like train station. Train station. Train station. I don't know what to do. Let's got this thing. Oh. Too high up, let's go down. I fell. Some avocado. And I'm cool. This video is going to be a video, or not a short type of video. And I'm an avocado. Traffic light budge on a train station? What the heck? Train station traffic lights. I've been waiting here for 30 minutes. This train is not coming. Am I gonna be trapped here forever? And it's only me. The other burps are inside the suitcase. Oh no, ah. What the heck? I'm upside down. Heck, I'm upside down. No, I'm not. Because I'm avocado and I'm a bird. I look like an avocado. See? I'm like more like an avocado. And no burps in there. Avocados are not bright green, dark green with a brownish seed thing. Cause I'm the avocado. I invented the avocado. I invented avocados. I'll be waiting here. I'm going to be here forever. This video could be 20 minutes long. 20 minutes long. I've got to stay so long at this stupid train. Wheels. I'm so bored. I could eat a train. Now that I said that, there'll be no trains here. Because I said I could eat a train. I need to wait for some trains. Still, why the traffic lights at train station?
Give yourself plenty of time.
No.
Train doors may be closed and locked up to 1 minute before the departure time of the train. This is to ensure your safety, comfort and a prompt departure from this station.
Repeat that again. I never heard you. Repeat. Open 6. What? I'm waiting for something. There's meant to be something at this platform, this one. Oh, that's better. Getting ready to board.
We're not good on this tweet.
I'm on this one. That's so loud. That's so loud. What the heck? This train is loud. It's too loud. Jim, where's your other leg? Jeremy, why do you only have one leg? Oh, that's sad.
This is a security message.
Oh.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text.
Why? Why can't I do it by myself? With a whistle. We're not recording. Airplane badge. It's a dog toy. Even though I'm not a dog. Yes. A what? What's that noise? 1, 2, 3, 3, 0. Yes, that is how you count to 1. Landfill. How the heck is that a landfill? Oh, hey there, Jerry. You're cool. You're cool. Oh, this isn't even our train. I put down my suitcase handle. I'm going this way, now that way, now this way, now that way. Okay, this train is speeding up. Hello? Sir, driver, you forgot me. Alright, that's not a train either. Nope. Oh. Look at that. That train's... It's a connected train. Stop connecting. What the heck is that noise? Stop it, just squeaky. This train is connected. That's weird. Connected train? What the heck? I've never heard of that. Oh, Christmas train, oh, Christmas train. You have that red face and you're connected. Even though you're not Christmas related, you're just a train. But trains are trains and trains are trains and trains are cool. I have no idea what I just said. Yay. I'm Avocados from Mexico. Did you train people hear that? Or birds? Or birds. Yeah, or birds.
Please stand well clear of the
Train
edge
on
of
one
platform
platform. Platform 5. Passing train on this bit. Meh. I'm Avocado. Making a train noise. It's going! It's leaving! It's leaving! No! Connected train! Oh, I see something. It's a weird train. Holy guacamole! It's loud! Because our train is coming. You see it? That's our train. So goodbye. See you in the next video.